In this video, we will learn how can we use calculator in bots. So for example, here I am adding a question block first and I am typing kindly enter quantity of order. This is just for an example. I am saving my response to quantity here and saving the question. Now in next step, I'll add automation app here. So I'll go to calculator. Now here there are various options that calculator can perform. So calculate SIP, addition, division, multiply, subtract. We can use any option which we want. I am using multiply here. So here we'll have to enter our sample data first. So I'll enter, for example, 2 in the first number and second number I am taking 3. I will run and save this. This is so that I have a data with me. So in the run history we can see that our answer is 6. Now in the first number I'll take quantity which was saved in my custom field from previous question, and in the second number I am taking 100 here. This can be a variable, but I want it to be constant as I am trying that as soon as the customer enters the quantity of item they want, we multiply it with its price per unit and send it to the customer. So I am saving my answer from multiplication under budget, and then I'll simply send a text message. The rest of the operations of the calculator, subtraction, division, addition, multiplication, you can use them in similar way. All you have to do is make sure that you enter a sample value first in first number and second number, run and save it, and then enter the values that you actually want.